the worst has happened, guys. The worst has happened. Then go say anointed lady, why you know they bring up so this video now? I beg, let's be our brother's keeper. This our sister, they live for Italy and he get problem, and this problem now our fellow Nigeria now put down for this problem. Waiting the happen. If I measure tribe now, they go say I dey sentimental. I dey always say yes. Let me tell you one thing you don't know. Igbo people, Igbo, yes, Biafran, they love their self like say tomorrow not day. And outside people see they love that. Why be say when it comes to Edo, we know they love our own. Waiting they happen. Person will put this girl for this problem where she dey wey be they say they drag her. We be say she even dey cry for deportation. She no see. Oh my people, tears they come out for my eyes. Waiting they happen. Even though say your sister hurts you, the kind person will be say I be where be say I did this emotional. Your sister offends you. Why you not call and say, my sister, this thing you do me make me vex? You can carry and go put for police hand. Where you know say anything will be say enter Italian people hand. Now kill or save, do or die. Waiting they happen. Our Benin Edo people waiting they happen. You say this girl he get problem with you. You know if you call and say this my sister, this problem will get to me. Even though say now you thief my phone or whatsoever, give me my phone back or give me whatsoever it is back. You cannot go report to police. Now she don't get problem. Oh my God. Now the medicine way that they give her now, Colometa medicine. You brother sister will report this girl to police. Waiting you want gain. We be say if this your sister BROIP tomorrow, waiting they happen. This video I go leave una up more and watch am, but this video they make me they shed tears. But if not the first time we say you come across this channel, you are highly welcome to Anointed Lady TV. But if you have been watching, you've not subscribed, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also put on the notification bell so you get more update from this channel. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. What do you think about this video? Also like and share so this video go reach this girl's sister, and whoever go help this lady may get out of this mess. Oh my God, Nigerians, some of us Nigeria where they Europe waiting they happen. All right, my people, I no want anything to say go break my heart. More watch this video and they come back.
This is a very issue where we go know about this babe. Make she talk so that treatment. Hello, well, yeah, my face is well, me matter well. So talk, make people hear you, make them know what thing they happen to you, so that make them know how people go fit locate you, where you dey for Trento and wetin lead you to hospital, and why they can't claim say you dey man, you say you are physically okay, and because of this issue, you are not see wetin they carry you go hospital. Wetin happen generally talk.
I be immigrants from Trento, from Viote.
For Viote. Viote, go on, yes.
So, one boy come beat me. He say I take phone. He come beat me. I don't need cash for the boy. Then they come talk say I dey crazy. They come carry me go Santa Clara. Go they give me injection. So I can't go France because of the injection that they give me. I can't go France. I can't spend 1 week for France. When I come back, they can't drive me. They can't drive me, so they don't need me again. Then I can't take Caritas. Caritas they don't need me again. I can't just find myself in hospital. Hospital now, I dey prison now. I be like, I will take prison. Then they let me come out. I dey prison. They give me drugs. They give me bad injection. Injection.
Yes. So I want to ask you a question, my sister. You say Alimatu Ivie. Now, Alimatu, which house you dey stay? How many of una dey stay for Trento, for Italy, before that boy come beat you?
We be three girls. Now let me they stay one room. Two they stay one room.
Wetin be the guest name? Wetin be the guest name? Wetin be the guest?
Abi Blessing, Chacha, and me and Limatu.
Okay, Happy, Blessing, Chacha, and you will be Alimatu. Now, which one the boy dey friend for inside? The boy will beat you, will come make you come dey sick. So, which one the boy dey friend among the two girls?
Now Happy Blessing. blessing.
Happy blessing. Na the boy. The wetin be the boy name wey beat you?
John Echoes, John Echoes.
Echoes Jones na him beat you wey be say ambulance come carry you. After ambulance carry you na later the boy tell them say your head no correct. The boy he eat you and now e come be like say you lose memory. Your talking now, your way of talking now. Yeah. Now my sister, where you for come for before we go to your where you for come for Nigeria. Now this boy wey beat you now and he dey stay trained to too with happy bless wey dey friend abi.
No, dey stay. They come dey eat.
He dey.
Na river the gather dey stay. River the gather na dey stay for Tienio.
River the gather Tienio and he dey friend that girl when he dey beat you. When wetin girlfriend come talk the happy.
The girlfriend don carry stick make dey break my head. Don carry stick make dey break my head.
Na the girl give am stick wey take break your head wey be say your head no come be like who dey mental so. Okay.
The girlfriend don give am stick make dey break my head.
That means automatically the happy blessing and that boy na collaborate tell them say your head no correct. They come go dey give you injection wey be say madness injection wey your head you come be like say you come dey mad now and when ambulance come.
Yes.
Who call ambulance na they call ambulance come for you.
Yeah, they come call ambulance come for me.
Ambulance come carry they come tell them say you no dey normal already you don hit your head you don lose sense now. Thank God you fit call their name you don dey know them now. When ambulance come carry you go hospital as you reach hospital wetin be the name of the hospital wey you dey so. Santa Clara where for Italy.
Dey
near Regina Poli for Santa Clara for Trento for Italy.
Yes.
Na be the hospital name wey you dey so repeat the name of the hospital so that people wey go see your face go fit find you go there. What is the name of the hospital again? Santa Clara. But I wan ask you one question. This boy now when he say him phone lost wey he lost na you when una got you with he come greet una for the house come sleep there na the boy phone take lost na the boy come say why they come say na you thief the phone wey come lead to the beating wey the boy dey beat you why they come be say you dey na you thief the phone you first dey thief.
No, the girlfriend ask me so then I see phone I say I see phone. I see phone no be me collect am we two wey dey as that day now I say I see phone. I don't say I collect I say I see the phone.
Okay, you say you see the phone now they come say you bring the phone come out and you no see the phone bring come out now they come say na you thief am. Do go on. They come say na you thief the phone so when you say show your mind when they say na you thief the phone people come see say na you come say no be you take the phone na there the boy come say na you thief the phone na they come take dey beat you.
Yes.
My sister you fit bring your make dem see your face well the way you dey see me so that make dem fit know you people wey fit identify you okay like this. Yes. Now anybody wey know this girl na hear the story wey she talk so now and you say you no thief the phone and una be thief for the room for the house now they come say na you thief the phone na the boy come take dey beat you na the girl say na you thief the boyfriend phone and when they beat you they see the phone for your hand after the beating they no see the phone for your hand now since police no come they no call police but you no come tell normal they come call ambulance for you now they no talk say na dem beat you they no tell ambulance say na dem beat you because you no dey normal that time wey they don beat. Okay now.
I don naked for the boy I don naked for the
boy. Okay you come naked when he dey beat you stay well make dem dey see you the way you first dey just now the way you take do well now.
Yes.
When the boy dey beat you come naked because you open your body you open pant now they come talk say you dey mad your head no correct based on say you say make e beat you feel well na you naked. Yes. They because of the naked they come tell ambulance say your head no correct na make you dey naked then they help you. Yes. And when based on say they don collaborate na 3 people against you na oyibo go believe them based on say na 3 of the plan and na make the thing happen and we never know from the boy. If you get those boys number and the girl number, you go bring them come out. So we go call that boy and that girl. Wetin lead to the issue, the way e beat you, wey make dem come beat you, and e come make you come be say you come dey cycle, and where dem carry you go the hospital, wetin make dem lie say na you thief the phone, and after the beating dem no swing phone for your hand. And this boy, which child the boy be?
Na Benin boy.
Na Benin boy from upper. From upper na the boy be. Okay, upper boy. Okay, na upper boy. Okay. Now, the boy na from upper. The girl nko, bring your face come out make people see you.
The girl na from Auchi.
The girl na from Auchi. Urele Auchi. The third girl wey be your friend, which that one tribe that one from BP?
Na Igbo
girl. Now all of the young come talk say na you thief the phone. From Anambra. And which tribe you be?
Those from Benin City.
Benin City, you be Benin? Okay.
Yes.
So the boy now come say you thief the phone, and the boy come beat you, and those the girlfriend come join am. And now you no come dey normal now, they come carry you go hospital, they come say your head not correct. Now my sister, that thing wey happen to you, we no support am. Upper boys na thief dey see many of them. Baba thing, criminal, ojibole, baba thing na dem dey do. We go know whether this boy or whether na you right or na the boy right, or whether you thief the phone or the boy na he go. Even though you thief the, you but not thief, they no dey thief for, e no good. If they catch thief, any thief they dey beat am. So I no say thief. So but when we wan know this issue wey happen so, they put it, how long you don dey this hospital now?
2 weeks now.
More than close una door. 2 weeks now you don dey hospital now. And why your mouth come swell now? That the medicine wey which hospital they can't carry you go now? They can't carry you go people where they call but now inside hospital room now you dey so now they see inside the room.
Yeah, the hospital room right there so.
Okay, you dey inside hospital room. So my dear sister, since you now make dem dey see you well so that people come sign you for that hospital. Not say people not come dey greet you for hospital. Don't they fit kill you, collect anything for body. No say na so they do for Europe. Make people dey see your body well. Make people wey know you. Make dem see you well. So my dear sister, since you don fit dey talk now, this we want no make dem see your face now. Your belle we dey see, no be your belle we wan see. Make we see your face. So e good make doctor, make police know this case and make so that dem go know wetin happen. Say you no dey okay, your mouth don swell na because of medicine wey dey give you. Now as they give you those medicine now, you don't get your sense now. Now make you fit come talk, no come out now. And we believe God go help you, God go heal you. Now, your parents for Nigeria, they never hear what dey happen to you so.
They don't hear.
They don't hear.
Again.
You no get papa again, you get mama. How many of una dey you for your relation, for your mama pikin? Na only you wan be pikin wey go dey Europe. Na that boy wan make you man, and that girl na make and the girl na dem beat you like that. Osapare na all wearing here for beating you. For beating you if you no thief the phone. If you no thief the phone, Osapare go wearing for their eye.
I don't take the phone.
Because I was not there. I don't know wetin happen. I know because now you I make I say you say you not take the phone. I was not there. So since you, but why you come naked when the boy they beat you? Wetin make you open your body come out? Wetin make you open naked?
I don't know why I naked. I don't know what you move me. Now they regret. They regret.
You dey regret now. You dey regret why you naked. If they beat you, come dey naked. You know say na that naked na the boy and the wife, the girlfriend plan say you be man. Maybe by tell police if they naked, this girl the man don they call ambulance, and now they even call ambulance for you because they don't plan now. And now you no come dey normal. Automatically the boy beat you bad beating, and the girl said na winch. If he not be winch, if you for dey normal, they go fly put, and you go return to them. because this you hear the talk show, the house of solution. The good wish go help you see destroy them if you are truthful. But wetin we want for you to dey normal, to regain your sight, because the way you be so, it's like you never regain your sight, your talking and your doing. And we pray may God help you to regain your sight. Okay, may you not lost. Okay, you want me you go Nigeria?
Yes.
You want go Nigeria?
Yes.
You know you don't want stay Europe again.
No.
You want go Nigeria? You never get your sight. You don't see now. You they say you want go Nigeria. You don't want stay Europe again.
No, I don't want to stay Europe again. I want to go Nigeria.
You want go Nigeria?
Yes.
You want go Nigeria? You don't believe get this thing na spiritual problem they choose for you. So when you say you dey want go Nigeria, so you get documents.
I don't have documents. I don't get.
You no get document. You want go Nigeria? This now go be spiritual problem now. Maybe they all do wanna push those boys to beat you. Eh? This girl, you lose your sense. You want go Nigeria? You it's like you are God will help you. We pray the ancestor to help you. They say you want go Nigeria. I bet my people. Una hear she say she want go Nigeria. Why you want go? Because of your situation. Now you say you want go Nigeria.
Yes. I don't get document. I don't get the mistake. I don't get hope again.
You get hope, my sister.
I don't want to say. I want to go Nigeria.
You no get hope again.
I don't tell to stay Europe. I don't want to stay Europe again. I want to go Nigeria.
You don't tell her to stay Europe.
Yes.
Why you say you tired to go stay Europe?
I don't stay. I don't want to stay again. I want to go. I don't want to stay again. I want to go.
You don't want to stay again. You want go.
Yes.
Oh, this thing na be like say they push you. So if you go Nigeria, your head will come correct. But God go do and your head go correct for Europe before you go. In Jesus' name.
No, I want to go. I want to go.
You want go?
I want to go. Yes, I want to go. Let me say that I correct. I don't know correct. I want to go.
But you dey hospital now. You dey hospital now. You no fit go Nigeria until they treat you finish. Eh?
I want to go. I beg. I want to go. When I help me, I beg. When I help me, I beg. I want to go.
You want go?
Help me, I beg. I want to go. I beg. I want to go. I beg.
You want go? Make we help you. Want go?
Yes.
Hey, God.
When I help me, I want to go. I beg. When I help me.
No worry, God go help you. We no want to make you come go Nigeria and you come get God go help you. No way. Abeg. Okay, Timothy, God will say he know you. Timothy, God will, you say you know this girl. I'm watching some people on my Facebook. Timothy Godwin, please, Timothy Godwin, you know this girl, please. I see you say you know her. Please, Timothy Godwin, we need people that knows her, who can really render help to this girl, who can even go to the hospital where she is in Trento in Italy to know what is exactly happening to this girl, because she needs help. You can hear she's crying that she wants to go back to Nigeria. And we believe this is what we call a family problem. Sometimes we call it a psychological problem. You know, we know in Africa we have culture, we have tradition.
I want to go to Nigeria. It's not family problem. I want to go to Nigeria. I made up my mind.
You have made up your mind. You want to go to Nigeria.
Yes.
But you are not mentally okay at this point in time. Your health is not normal at this point in time now. My sister, you said hello. You said you want to go. Somebody is calling from Spain. Caller, please. I will pick your call from Spain. Let her talk and okay. Maybe people they talk. You know what will happen. So my dear sister, since you say you want go Nigeria, make I pick another people call. I'll call you back. Make we know who are there to help you. Okay, you dey hear me? Okay, my sister, you hear what I talk?
Okay.
You hear what I talk?
Okay.
So you go dey line, make you dey line, so that we go try contact all the people wey dey call, so make we know how dem go fit take render help to you. How? Wetin go happen? How you sleep say you wan go Nigeria? Make we know wetin wan happen, okay? But first of all, we need your health. You need to have good health first of all. They will not release you in the hospital now because you are under what medical what treatment, okay? You dey hear me? So may I pick the next person call, okay, caller? May I pick a call? Hold on, yeah, may I pick on that person call? Hello, caller.
Hello, bro. Baba, I greet you.
I greet you too, yeah.
I been not vex. What make me call now because this girl so easy.
Yes. You know how?
Sure. I know her for Trento.
You know if you're for Trento, abeg. Now you be Timothy just now. Abeg, Timothy, abeg. Tell us what happened to this girl.
According to her own story and people when they figure out when because maybe they come there so.
Yes.
So now they see her for they come out of guys in everybody they have.
Yes.
You understand? So most time they buy food for the girl chef. So she called a complaint. So again one black guy, guy no get no sense. So away from the get all that things online, the other things online. So at the end of the day, that girl can't get stressed. They can't say she thief phone. So now the miss where they can't take the fight, that say she can't get those boys they can't plan, they can't the boy and the girlfriend can't because they don't under social thing. They can't say the girl inside. Then they go take the girl wacko injection.
Jesus.
So the problem when she get that after the doctor, so that injection will see the and the injection make her one wrong because she herself know. So they give her that injection. They get me so bad, she know if she stop her, but they don't give her.
So that boy and that girl, wait, my dear brother Timothy, the boy and the girl wait talk, say wait, tell doctor say where they gotta beat us, where that boy where they do, where they thief online. That boy where they thief online. Give me the boy picture. I want make police know say they thief online. Can that girl need their picture? I go put her for my wall. Now me or do one. I go make police know say the boy na thief. And I first what this guy say he dey do online and he dey do online. And the woman down chicken give me the stupid boy up and name number. You na wait there. As una know say this boy do why una not make help this girl? Give me the bastard boy number. That criminal now Jibole. I go make sure they deport the boy.
The stress what you don't be say people know that to many people they help now. Even say when you tell it, everyone not for the best.
Now people they buy something for the girl.
Now people they buy because if she come and I get one communication she dey stay.
Yes.
You understand? So that they let her come out. So when we say I know her before, when they first day together, some of them they don't have anybody. If you get one girl say that and Shakira, they will see Canada go out. This also the girl for female clothes, all those things. But the problem when she tell now that can take from me car, they don't feel release her.
Okay, they lock her. Why they call they give her injection? Wait, not know. Why people not the Nigerian community not they go tell them say this guy is not mad. Say now this boy and the girl plan. Make the girl not be talk. That I beg my brother Timothy. If you will give me that boy, that bastard boy number. If you will give me the bastard boy picture, make I put am so that police go know. I go tell them say that boy na thief. Make they control online. Now they do the thief. If they thief people thief online. I go make sure follow the boy go court vision. I go do one.
What you go stop with that because for some time about 2-3 months I know they go train to bed. I'll find me still find
me when you bring the bastard boy. It's a criminal. We want maybe police don't follow and see and say the thief. So me I want stand to Nena the deporters is a thief.
But the problem now is the system to the give that injection.
Now that injection. Now that injection, I mean we want to so make them stop to give the girl.
She even they work out, say before she work out, she want even put when they start to give that girl injection, they will carry her and put for mask, no problem. And that injection not good at all, you know you're good.
I beg my brother, all of una fuck up wey dey there. Una see this thing, una no fit go tell them say the injection wey they give this girl dey normal. Na bad thing this they do this girl. People wicked sha. Why that boy and that girl wicked? I beg una find the boy picture for me. This is the kind of work I want to do. That God should bless me. I want to bring that boy picture out. I want to write it to the whole world to know this upper boy na thief. May papa and mama know he's a criminal and maybe that boy na killer. before we want disgrace that boy. Who here do with this? I'm a fair brand. I will tell that boy say before Abraham there were men. I want to that boy bring the boy picture.
She so that girl, so she will get their number. She will get mistaken because some people say even say I pay no correct. She get phone and get everything. She freely. I believe say she will get their number, get everything.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, Timothy. Okay.
Man, ciao, thank you, ciao.
You see, somebody will know the girl, I call so. Somebody will know the girl, I call so. So, when I see all the evil thing where our people they talk, somebody know and now see, may I call the girl again? May I call the girl again? May I hear what you want to? You see, somebody don't. Hello, my sister. Somebody don't call wey know you. He talk everything wey happen, you no lie. He say see wetin happen, say they will beat you, they come forge lie for your head. Thank you very much. Hello, my sister. God go heal you. No worry, you go comot there. They go stop that injection. Okay? You dey hear me? You wan go Nigeria? Hey, okay, wait, people dey call. May I help pick up and I'll call you. You hear my sister? Yeah? No worry. You hear? Okay. May I look where people wan come? May I hear for all of them? All caller. People calling. I want to hear from caller that are calling. The caller. I want people to call back again. We want to know what to do so that they can rescue this girl from those bad injection. Medicine, that girl and that boy, they be witch. They fly.